What's up, guys? In today's video, I'm answering the big question: how do you withdraw money from GoCrypto? So without further ado, let's clear it up. GoCrypto is a mobile app that simulates cryptocurrency trading. You buy and sell Bitcoin and other coins, but it's all virtual money, not real cash. As you can see, my balance here is around 5,000. Looks exciting, but that's virtual currency only. You can trade and grow your portfolio, but nothing here is real. If you check the Play Store description, GoCrypto is clearly listed as a trading simulator, basically a learning game, not a real exchange. It's meant to teach you crypto trading with zero financial risk. So here's the truth. Even if you profit inside GoCrypto, that money isn't real. You can't withdraw it to your bank or crypto wallet. It's for practice only, confirmed everywhere online. Bottom line, GoCrypto is a great way to learn crypto trading risk-free, but the earnings stay inside the app. They're not real money. So, that's it. I hope this video helps you. And if it does, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.